Hey, I'm back. I know it's been a while. I'm sorry if you've been waiting. I'm pretty sure ain't nobody waiting on me to make videos except for Lizzie and DeAndre. They've been on my ass about making videos, but here I am making a video for y'all. This is how to apply false lashes. I know a lot of y'all don't know how to apply false lashes. It's super easy. You just have to keep practicing and you'll get it done like that. Like, it's easy. So just take your time when you're doing it. I am using red Aspen lashes today. They were sent to me by Jessica Casanova. She's from Midland. She is a classmate of mine and she's so sweet. Thank you, Jessica, for sending me these lashes. They are so pretty. I love them so much. The lashes I have on, I already have them on. They came in this little case. They are called Erica lashes. It's spelled with a CK. She's extra. She ain't basic like you basic Erica's. I'm just kidding. And she also sent me this compact mirror. And I am so excited about because I don't have one and I needed one. Thank you so much. Anyways, if you would like to see how I apply, well, pretty much everybody applies lashes like this. So if you need to learn how to apply false lashes, keep watching. You need eyelash curler, tweezers, some mascara, preferably waterproof mascara, and some what is this called? Eyelash glue. Oh, I gotta get scissors. Hold on. Okay. I'm using these lashes. They are so pretty. I love them. Oh, and you need the scissors you might have to cut them, you might not have to cut them, but if you have little eyes, then you need to cut them because you don't want them to come all the way down or past your eye because then your eyes are just gonna look like slanted. You want them to look open and pretty. Pick out your eyelashes. Oh my God, these are so pretty. Look how fluffy they are. I don't know if you can see them, but they're so fluffy. You just want to measure them on your eye first and see how much you have to cut off. I have little eyes, so I will have to cut off a whole lot. They're so pretty. See, I will have to cut off a lot, so let me cut off what I need to cut off. I hate to cut eyelashes because I feel like the ends are so fluffy. I heard that you can add the end on top of the end that you put on, but I don't know. I don't know how that will work for me. Okay, measure again to make sure. Okay, that looks like it's gonna work. So this is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and I love this. I just wish that it dried out white. I mean, I wish it dried out black. It dries out white. So I'm like, but it works really good and it's super, like, I like how you can just wipe it on. Yeah, like, you're done. So you put the glue right on the strip. Let this dry for it dries super fast. You don't want it to dry too long. So while that's drying really fast, I'm gonna curl my eyelash. Some mascara on it. And you curl your eyelashes and put mascara on. First, it makes your eyelashes curl up, of course. And it will help your real eyelashes stick to the fake lashes. You get your eyelash and you try to get as close as possible to your real lashes. And then you just, I like to, oops, it got stuck. I like to push it down in the middle first and then push the edges down where they need to be. And then you squeeze your real lashes and the false lashes together. Look how pretty they look. Just squeeze, keep squeezing and fixing it as you need to. Get it in place, get it as close as you need to your eyelash line. Pinch everything together, pinch it down. Lash glue is super good too, and if you prefer in the tube, then this is also a Kiss strip lash adhesive, but it's just in the tube, it's not a stick. So what I like to do is put it down on here. And this one takes a little while longer to dry. So while I let this dry, I am going to put a little bit of eyeliner right in here. I'm just gonna put eyeliner up in here because it's like sticking up. You can also add eyeliner on top if you have a lot of glue showing. That way it kind of hides the glue, but I'm not gonna do that today. Okay, so I think this should be dry by now. I like to get the end of this tweezer and dip into the lash glue, get it on the end of my tweezer like this. I don't know if you can see it. I need a camera. I'm using my phone and I need a camera so I can get like super close, zoom in, whatever. Birthday's coming up, boo. Just saying. Oh, sorry. Put it on here, on the lash line, lash strip. Same thing. Put it right in the middle. Still a little wet. It needs to be tacky. I forgot to mention that. It needs to be tacky, not wet, or it won't stick, just like you see that it won't stick. These lashes are so pretty. Make sure your ends don't have glue on it or your lashes are it's gonna stick to your lashes and it'll come up. I forgot to put curl my eyelashes and put mascara on. So let me do that now. I don't know why I'm trying to rush. I feel like I'm on a time limit because my other son is asleep. And if you have kids, you know how hard it is. I have one up and he's making all kinds of noise. So this is why I'm trying to rush, because if I don't do it now, then I'm never gonna do it. Oh, let's hope this didn't dry out yet. So put it back on. So the inner corner is not sticking, so I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on there. Once you feel like it's tacky, just attach your lash to the glue. eyelashes are brand new, like these are, then it's gonna take a little while for you to get them to
match your shape,
your line, I guess. But once you keep using, they're gonna get used to the outline of your eyes, so it'll be easier to put on. These are just brand new, fresh out the box, so that's why they're giving me trouble. But these lashes are so pretty. I love them, and they're like doubled, like one layer. They have 2 layers basically. Yeah, I'm loving these lashes. So that is it. That's how you put eyelashes on. If you're a starter, you don't know how to put them on, don't be in a rush like I am, or it's not gonna work. It's gonna get you frustrated. Make sure your glue is tacky, not wet. Just let it dry down a little bit, and just curve them how your eyelashes is, like put them on. And that is it. Y'all get with Jessica Casanova and get these lashes. They are so bomb. I love them, and I can't wait to put them on the next time I do a super dramatic look. Thank you for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I was rushing. I ain't got time. Oh, bye.